Hi, this is Alex from Pandectes. Do you have events set up for Google Analytics and Google Consent Mode V2 running and compliant with Google? But yet you don't see any events on the checkout? There might be a hidden setting that you need to disable in order to get the events in the checkout. I will show you how you can do that so that you can avoid missing out on tracking conversions. Let me show you what you need to do if everything else is already set up but you are not getting any conversion tracking. Here in your Google Analytics, go to the admin and then go to data streams. Select the data stream that you are not getting the conversion from. Scroll down until you find the configure tag settings option. Select that and then click on show more. After scrolling down, you will find the override consent mode defaults. If these are enabled, make sure they are disabled. And that's it. The reason that this happens is that even though the user has given consent, and they should be tracked of course, the consent management platform sends a consent default, which is Google's standard, and tells Google that the user has granted everything and all the consent mode categories are allowed. However, after that, there is a consent initialization that has some default values set to denied. So it cancels out the signal from the CMP. And that's why some stores are not getting conversion tracked in Google Analytics. We also have a similar tutorial for Google Ads. So if you're facing the same issue in Google Ads, you can check that out. If you want to learn more about privacy and Shopify, then subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.